Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to integrate Zapier with Slack. So first log into your Slack account, then click on More. It's located like 3 buttons here on the left sidebar on Slack. Click on it. Click on Tools, go to Apps, and search Zapier here. Select Zapier. This will open a new window. Click Add to Slack. Now you're going to be asked to sign in with your account, so click on Connect Slack. This will redirect you to Zapier dashboard when you want to add a Slack here. So just in Apps, select Slack and choose the trigger event that will launch your Zap. So if it is a new channel or new channel member or new message, just select the event that will trigger your Zap. And allow Zapier to access Slack accounts. Click on Allow. And that's it, guys. Click on Continue. And after choosing Event, for example, we'll choose New Channel here. That's it. Click on Continue. And here you successfully created an integrated Zap with Slack. So, that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.